Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to make Amazon shopping list public. To make an Amazon shopping list public, first of all, open up your Amazon application or visit the Amazon website on a web browser and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal menu button at the bottom of the screen. Now go to your list from the top and tap on it. All of your lists and registries will be shown. Click on shopping list option and then from this page, click on the three dots right at the top right corner of the screen. Now click on manage list. Under manage list, click the privacy drop-down button and change it to public if you've previously set it as private. After choosing public, click on Save Changes at the top right corner. You can also make any other changes if needed from the list and click Save Changes. Soon after it's done, this will make your list as public easily and quickly. Making your list public allows anyone with the link to view it, but they can't edit it unless you give special permissions. So that's how you can easily make your Amazon shopping list public. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.